Ever imagine ditching the bank branch and managing your money entirely from your phone? Fintech companies like Wealthsimple are making waves with this very proposition. But can Wealthsimple Cash truly replace your traditional bank account? Let's dive in and explore the nitty-gritty of Wealthsimple Cash, seeing if it fits the bill for your financial needs. The rise of the fintech challenger. Gone are the days when managing your money meant endless paperwork and long queues at the bank. Fintech companies are reshaping the financial landscape, offering a more streamlined and tech-savvy approach. Wealthsimple, a Canadian pioneer in this space, started with making investing accessible. Now, with Wealthsimple Cash, they're taking a shot at the everyday banking experience. So, can you ditch your bank for Wealthsimple Cash? Not quite. While Wealthsimple Cash offers many features of a traditional checking account, there are key differences to consider. Here's a breakdown of what Wealthsimple Cash can and can't do. Cash management. Wealthsimple Cash allows you to deposit funds, transfer money between accounts, and pay bills electronically, all the essentials for managing your daily finances. Plus, you earn a competitive interest rate on your cash balance, something traditional checking accounts often lack. Checks and debit cards. Here's where things differ. Wealthsimple Cash doesn't currently support checks or debit cards with Interac. This can be a deal-breaker for those who rely on these features for everyday transactions. However, Wealthsimple does offer a Visa debit card, allowing you to make purchases online and at stores that accept tap payments. Bill pay and direct deposit. Sending and receiving electronic payments is a breeze with Wealthsimple Cash. You can easily pay bills and set up direct deposit for your paycheck, streamlining your financial management. Security and insurance. Wealthsimple Cash isn't a bank itself, but they partner with reputable CDIC member institutions to secure your deposited funds. This means your cash is insured for up to $500,000 CAD in the unlikely event of a partner institution's failure. Who should consider Wealthsimple Cash? Wealthsimple Cash is a great option for tech-savvy individuals. If you're comfortable managing your finances through an app, Wealthsimple Cash offers a convenient and user-friendly experience. Those seeking higher interest rates, with its competitive interest rate on your cash balance, Wealthsimple Cash can help your money grow faster compared to traditional checking accounts. People looking for a secondary account, Wealthsimple Cash can be a handy secondary account for everyday spending and bill payments, keeping your main bank account for transactions requiring checks or debit cards with Interac. The verdict: Wealthsimple Cash ally or alternative. Wealthsimple Cash isn't a complete replacement for a traditional bank account just yet. However, it offers a compelling alternative for managing everyday finances, especially for the tech-savvy crowd seeking a higher interest rate on their cash. Consider your financial habits. If you rely heavily on checks or debit cards with Interac, Wealthsimple Cash might not be the sole solution. But as a secondary account or for those comfortable with digital transactions, Wealthsimple Cash presents a strong option to streamline your finances and potentially grow your money faster. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.